I'm Ricardo Antunes, and I'm a data scientist at Incremental. The purpose of data science is to gain insight from data. You can think of data as observations or measurements of the real-world processes that we can use to make inferences and get information. Well, these days, data is everywhere. We live in a world that's permeated with it. We generate data when we go to a shop and make a purchase, when we go online and buy something online, when we buy a train ticket. It's all generating data that can be used to make some inferences about the patterns of our lives. You can say data science is the collection of techniques that we use to make sense of data, to discover the patterns in data, so we can make inferences and gain insight from this data. Ultimately, when you use the information and insight generated by data analysis to make better decisions. Voice recognition on your phone, face recognition on your Facebook or on your phone, talk to Cortana or Siri on your phone, that's all data science, machine learning algorithms behind, so it's everywhere. One of the most prevalent examples of the use of data science is recommendations. When you go to a website, we get recommended projects, and that recommendation is based on our previous buying and those websites. So that is a data science engine behind it, making those recommendations. That's prevalent these days. Well, data science excels at problems that have large amounts of data and data from multiple sources. Data science can be very specific to specific problems. So different businesses might have very specific problems that require very specific solutions. Like, for example, if you're trying to optimize a transportation network that's very specific to a particular problem or to a particular geographical area. Data science is the only tool we have to make sense of the large amount of data that are constantly being produced. And it's the only tool we have to make better decisions based on this data. Traditionally, I think data science kind of started more in the business world, people trying to increase profit or do better marketing, but it's gradually expanding to society, to broader society. Part of the future is the application of new techniques. There's constantly new techniques that are coming up, but I think we'll see a great increase in the application to everyday life. More and more, we're going to see data science everywhere.